My name is Omar Daneha Bin Siraj. I'm representing from Nurli Education Centre, Sdn Bhd. Currently, we are in the process of renovation for our new private schools building in Horizon Hill, Johor Bahru. And we decided to engage Elite Elevator as our lift supplier and installer. We are installing in our school, which means mainly will be used by children. So we put highest priority on the safety of the children and also on the easiness of the use. So far, we found that Elite Elevators provide adequate safety with their safety cut-off, and also there is abilities to make a call from the lift to our call centers. And also the teachers' aesthetic plays a major part because we want the lift to blend in with our surrounding look. So I'm happy that Elite do provide lift that can really blend in to the environment. Happy with the smooth rides where when we are inside the lift, we don't really feel the lift is going up or down because there are smooth movement. As I say, when we choose an elevator, we give priority to the safety, reliability, and also of course something that will fit to our budget. And Elite does fit to all three criteria just nicely. I would say go for Elite. They do provide a good product with a professional installer team, and they manage to do it within our strict given time frame.